Inside a proton, the aetherspace is known as the gluon field. This field binds the quarks together through relativistic ethereal links which physics calls gluon flux tubes. The strong force does not come from these flux tubes but from the aetherspace around them. Those flux tubes represent the total lack of true motion from the perfect balance of the triangle of influences. Here, the collision of two protons cause one aetherspace particle to transfer, disrupting both triangles.
The weak force then converts the collided particles into temporary W bosons for charged collisions, or Z bosons for neutral ones.
The Z boson then uses that ether to upgrade to an electron-positron pair. The positron is an antimatter of the electron and is used by nature to represent the free ether. This free ether has an existential clockwise vortex rotation. All particles that have mass have an opposite counterclockwise vortex rotation. These cancel out upon contact, violently stopping their rotations as friction. This releases energy and reverts both back to pure aether. The most efficient way to produce antimatter is through particle decay via aetherspace particles, not through the brute force bombardment of protons and cyclotrons.